How to recover lost files with minitool partition wizard. Have you ever lost important files, guys, and didn't know how to recover them? In this video we will show you how to download, install and use minitool partition wizard to recover your lost files easily and effectively. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use this powerful program, keep watching. So to get started, visit the official minitool partition wizard website. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Just click on the link that will be in the description and you'll be on this page right here. Okay, so click the download option to get the free option, the free version option, or the paid version if you need additional features. Okay, so the file will be downloaded to your computer in just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Just click, just select where you want to leave it. I'm going to leave it on download. Let's click on save and there will be downloaded. Let's just click on it. Here we are going to select the language that we want. I'm going to select English. Here there will be two options. You have the option to try pro trial for free, okay, but then you gotta pay, or you continue the installation for the free option. And here you can see all the things that you don't have on the pro edition, actually in the free edition, and that you have on the pro edition. So on the free edition you have the basic disk partition management, but you don't have migrate OS, Windows, etc., or copy OS disk, or copy OS partition, or convert MBR to GPT disk, change cluster size, recover lost partition, perform data recovery, and using in a commercial environment if you work in a company. So let's go here on continue installation free edition, but I sure gonna tell you to recommend you to pay a little bit, just a few bucks. It's a very cheap program and it's very useful. So here you're going to select all of it. Okay, the minitool partition wizard free, you're gonna have the partition management and data recovery, and the minitool shadow maker free, you're gonna have the disk data backup and restore. So you have to click here on participate in the customer. Just click, then you're going to select where you want to install. I'm going to leave it where it is. I'm going to click on next, and here will download. Like I said, it depends of your internet. Okay, I always recommend you to close all your antivirus, that way it will not cause any problem. Okay, and once the installation is finished, click finish to complete and open the program. When you open the minitool partition wizard, you see the main interface, and here you can view all your partitions on your computer or laptop, including the hard drive and connected external drive devices. So the minitool partition wizard is very intuitive. Okay, so if an easy to understand toolbar, and on the left side, for example, on the screen, you're gonna see all the detailed information about each partition. Okay, just right here. And on the right side, you're gonna see the graphics and the status of each one. There is a disk right here that is unallocated. We can just maximize the screen just to see better. And now let's go to the important part, that is recovering your lost files. Okay, so just click with the right button in the disk that you want and go on data recovery. After that, you load for a long time and it will give you all the lost files that will be on the disk. So let's suppose there is this one. You saw that I just went on the one pass to another and found a lot of them. So you can just go on that too. Okay, so just find the file that you want, click with the right button and click on recover when all the total files finish the scan. Okay, you can just actually as well click on stop and go on the file that you want, click with the right button and go on recover. Okay, let's choose a small file. Let's choose an icon file. Click the right button, click recover. Now select the directory to save the files. I'm going to put on the music. View recovered. So everything that you wanted to recover will be right here, just like that. You just have to find the file that you want. The recovery process may take some time depending on the amount of data that you have. Once completed, the program will notify you that the recovery was successful and you'll be able to access your files again like you saw. Although minitool partition wizard is an excellent tool for file recovery, it's always important to follow good practices to avoid data loss. Okay, so regularly you have to back up your files, and this is the most effective way to prevent future problems. You can use a cloud backup service or external devices to store backup copies. Okay, so now you know how to download, install and recover files using minitool partition wizard. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to receive more tips on data recovery and other useful tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time.